Hello all office executives. In this particular Excel problem set scenario, I will be guiding you on finding the sum total of in a particular quarter. What is the sum? That is the disconnection, the disconnected method which he has made. So if I simply write here equal to sum, so sum will be number 1, number 2, number 3. The sum will be this particular range of cells, but that is not the scenario. The sum would only be the sum would only be calculated based on a criteria. So what is the criteria? I'll be giving some value, fitting in the Excel some value in this particular cell, that is I4, and if that I4 value matches with the table, then only the sum will. So to find out to return the column numbers based on some looked up value, we'll be using VLOOKUP. So the lookup value will be this one, whatever I'll be giving in this particular cell, and the table array is the whole of the table, comma. Now sum, instead of using one particular column, that is Q1, either Q1 or Q2 or Q3 or Q4, I will be giving a range, multiple column values. So I will be using the array formula, and based on the lookup value, so this is RAM 1, OE2, Krishnanagar CCC 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is the type of the search? It would be exact search. Now we all know that this is the sum. Okay, so let me close one more braces. Now for reflecting one value in a cell, we press enter. Now there is an array formula. So what I will be doing is that we will be pressing Control Shift Enter. Not applicable. So let me give here RAM 81. So RAM, let me just select this all of these values, and in here it is showing in the status bar, it is showing sum 81. Now I can create a drop down list as well. So what I will be doing is that I will be going to the data tab and then data validation, and from any value to list, and I will be giving the source as from here to Control Shift down arrow. Okay, so now we are having a drop down. So Biman is 71. In the status bar it is showing 71. So before ending the video, let me again summarize. So I am using the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is being used to fetch the result, to fetch the column result. So I will be having the summation of quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, but that will be based on a particular lookup value. So to find out the lookup value, as we all know that to find out a lookup value, we need a lookup function, that is VLOOKUP. So I4 is the cell in which it is searching the value within this in this whole of the table, and if it finds the value I4, that is whatever value we are feeding into this particular cell I4, if it is being found within this range of cell, then it would be returning quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, denoted by the column number 4, 5, 6, 7, and the searching will be 0. And after just returning all those column value, the Excel won't sit ideal, but it would just make a sum out of it. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.